Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these microfiber makeup remover towels. These are a pack of 20. They are 13 by 13 inch. They are reusable and these are super soft. Alright, so today we've got our 20 pack of washcloths. These are microfiber. They are offered in several different colors. You've got the gray ones, which is the ones right here. They're also offered in black and in pink. These are also super soft. They are 13 inches high by 13 inches wide. This is a 20 pack microfiber makeup washcloths. They are coral fleece microfiber. They're thick and soft, quick drying and reusable. You get enough quantity to last you for a while. They are soft makeup remover towels, so if you have other washcloths that you use and they're kind of scratchy on your face, these ones are a great option. They're super easy to clean. They're easy care, rinse with water, dry, reuse, quick dry to meet your various needs. These are composed of 80% of polyester and 20% polyamide, which are soft and skin friendly. They are multifunctional skincare towels, so not only can you use it to remove your makeup, you can also use them in spas. They're very nice quality. You can see the stitching is very nice around here. You do get several packs in this, a lot of washcloths to use later, so you can see that they all do say makeup. They are super soft. They make it really easy to wash your face. They're easy to clean. All you got to do is wash them, rinse them out. They dry really fast. I like the fact that it's got really good stitching around here, and they're super soft to your face. So if you're looking for a nice washcloth to remove your makeup or to use in beauty spas, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. They are offered in 3 different colors. You've got gray, black, and pink.